Hey guys, my name is Matt Johnson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to film a wedding first look. So come along with me. Here's the wedding video that we're shooting at. We're actually going to have the groom standing over here behind this tree. Two beautiful trees here. We're going to have the groom standing here in the shadow a little bit so that he's getting some nice backlighting from the sun. We're going to have the bride come around the entrance to the venue, walking around from the front, around to him, tap him on the shoulder, turn around. It's gonna be a magical moment and they're gonna freak out. Generally, whenever we're filming first looks, we try to be very cognizant of not making the couple go too far. We don't want them to have to walk a super long distance to do a first look. But we also wanna be aware of this is the first time that they're seeing each other on the wedding day, and it is a pretty big deal. So one of the big things for us is that after the couple sees each other for the first time, we try to give them some time together alone. So we're gonna let them see each other, and then we're gonna let them just hang out together and have a moment. And then after a few minutes, then we'll jump in and start to direct them and say, okay, let's go over here, do some video clips of the two of you together, things like that. But initially, we really do prioritize the two of them together having that moment, and that's always really, really good. So with that, let's go get the couple. Another thing that we prioritize very heavily during the first look is miking the groom, because this is the first time whenever they see each other, they're gonna be really emotional, they're gonna be talking, they're gonna be crying, it's gonna be super, super awesome. So we want to get good audio of that. So I have the Tascam DR10L recorder here. Absolutely love this thing. I'm about to put it onto Tanner, the groom, and that way we'll be able to record the audio of both him talking and Caitlin, the bride, talking together, and it should look really, really awesome. This is Caitlin and Tanner, groom mic for the first look?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, sweet. So let's, do you have a, which way do you have?
I have a little pocket in here.
Yeah, you got anything in there?
No, I got nothing in there.
Perfect.
You might be able to better than I do.
I know, right? Dude, these things are so hard to do one-handed. These black tux.
I know.
This is a blue tux. They need a different brand name.
Yeah, they
here.
gotta switch it up.
This is crap.
And it's not a tux, it's actually a suit.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Liars.
It's a blue suit. Doesn't have quite the same ring to it as the black tux. All right. That's fantastic.
I'm gonna forget this thing's on me.
I'll take it
and
off.
I will
you,
probably say some things.
I hope so. That's the goal.
Matt's the only one that...
We gonna blackmail you so good. All right, there you go. You can rebutton yourself if you want to there.
I didn't have a button.
Rachel has gone with Tanner the groom and is positioning him over by the trees that we showed you. So I'm about to go find Caitlin, and we're gonna follow her around to Tanner, and they're gonna freak out. Rachel and I are both gonna be shooting this at 60 frames per second because it's a big emotional moment, and slowing it down can make it definitely look cooler. So nice and slow first look. It's gonna look awesome. Just start walking, you're doing great. I'll yell at you if you do anything wrong, which I don't think that you will. It's a pretty straightforward event, but it's magical. I'm gonna have her stop in just a second. Okay, so stop for a second, and we're gonna run past you. They're not in the way. I'm gonna run. Tressy's gonna walk. It's okay. Whenever you're ready.
I'm sorry, I'm bringing up me crying. You already made me cry with that gift. Oh, you're so beautiful. I had no idea this is what you're dressed like. You ask me all the time, I had no idea. It's okay, I don't care. I don't care. Thank you. Okay. I heard you just walking. I couldn't even handle it. I couldn't even get there. You look so good. I love you so much. But no, it's pretty good, huh? Was it okay?
It was good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Thank you for the suitcase. I love you too.
5 minutes later.
You know I was listening.
Oh, it's so good. So crazy. That's how we film a first look. Thank you so much for watching. This video is also the first video in a new behind the scenes series. And instead of me making some massive long 30-minute or hour-long behind the scenes video, I've decided to break it up into smaller topics, such as how to film a first look that you just saw. So you can expect more videos like this in the future. I hope you enjoy it. Please feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this new series and any other specific topics you'd like me to cover in regards to wedding filmmaking. As always, if you have any questions or comments about anything else, you can leave one below too, or get in touch with me through my website, WhoisMatt.com. It is also a massive help to me if you would consider liking this video and subscribing if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I also have gobs of links down in the description of this video to my Instagram page, to my Facebook page, to my one-on-one filmmaker consulting page where you can sign up and talk to me one-on-one. I also have links to my newsletter sign up and to my wedding film production company. All of that down in the description. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.